So I'm having a very late lunch today. This looks like a lot of chips on this plate on this camera, but it's not. But I'm having a very late lunch today because I had to edit a video earlier and I worked out, feel very productive. But this is hummus, the hummus that I mentioned in the last vlog, the bell pepper hummus, and tuna Kendra just made. It's bomb. Then I'm having a protein smoothie. This is just vanilla protein and berries, blackberries, blueberries, and raspberries. Yeah. And then that's Kendra's lunch. And we're about to continue watching Money Heist on Netflix. We're on season 1, episode 7. And it's actually pretty good so far. So I really like it. I do recommend it if you guys like action and crime shows. It's a really good show. It was low-key kind of stressing me out last episode though. I was kind of like, you know, my nerves was getting kind of bad. But it's pretty good. And we've also been watching Little Fires Everywhere on Hulu. That's also really good. Hi guys, so today's Tuesday and I decided to put on some makeup so I can feel kind of cute for a change because I haven't worn makeup in like a week maybe. That's low-key like a month in YouTube world or beauty guru world because we wear makeup every week usually, and I just haven't been feeling like putting on makeup. And most of the videos that we've been putting up the past 2 weeks I think haven't required me to wear makeup. So but I decided to put some on today and I feel cute. By the way, this is a new lip combo that I put together. This is Cork by MAC mixed with KKW Nude 3, which is just chocolate brown mixed together. I don't think I've ever even bought Cork by MAC. They sent it in a PR package and I know a lot of people used to wear this color all the time. So this is my first time like using it in a combo and I really like it. And I went outside yesterday, got some fresh air, and it felt so good out. We had a really bad thunderstorm the other night, which is not good, but the day after it felt so good. Like the next morning outside, like the next afternoon, it like cooled it down a little bit. So it's been like in the 60s and it's really nice out. But thank you to everybody that was messaging me to make sure we're okay, because we did have a tornado warning 2 nights ago. I got like this alert on my phone in the middle of the night and I wasn't surprised that I got it because the wind was blowing so bad. But yeah, we're safe and sound. So hopefully all of you other people who live in the South are safe and sound. Like we need anything else to worry about in this crazy world right now. Still drinking from my Easter mug. Got this from Home Goods like last year, I think. I'm sad that we get to go home for Easter, but I have been video chatting with my mom and that's been helping a lot. Ooh, titties. Sorry y'all, this shirt doesn't require a bra, so. But yeah, I have been video chatting with my mom, so that's been helping. We finished Money Heist. 5 stars. I definitely will be rewatching because I was locked in. I thought the writing was great, the acting was great. It is a Spanish show, so you're gonna notice that they're like what you're hearing is not like matching their words, but it's still so good. Let me know if you guys watch Money Heist. It's a really, really good show. My favorite characters are Denver. He's bae. He's so fine. I love Helsinki. I love Nairobi. I like Tokyo sometimes, but she's low-key kind of reckless, so sometimes she be on my nerves, but she's stunning. And of course, I love Professor. He reminds me of Michael from Prison Break. If you haven't watched Prison Break before, then you don't get the comparison, but that's who he reminds me of. He always got a plan C, D, E. Yeah. Still watching Little Fires Everywhere. Really liking it so far. I do like Money Heist better than Little Fires Everywhere because I guess because we binged the whole thing, so I can give you like my full opinion on Money Heist because we've already finished watching Money Heist. Because Little Fires Everywhere comes on Hulu. A new episode comes on every Wednesday. But yeah, a new episode comes on Hulu every Wednesday of that. It's pretty good so far, but I wish they would just release the whole freaking season. Like, I'm tired of waiting on the episode every Wednesday. The most recent episode that came on, the girl who plays younger Kerry Washington, she had to be studying every little detail of how, like, of the mannerisms of Kerry Washington, because her acting was on point. Y'all know I love Kerry Washington. Love her. So I notice when someone is mimicking her acting, you know, vibe. Yeah. But yeah, we've just been trying to think of more quarantine content for you guys. It's kind of hard trying to keep other people in good spirits when you're trying to keep yourself in good spirits. try not to put too much pressure on your favorite YouTuber and require so much of them during this time, because everybody else is dealing with stuff. So are we. So yeah, just keep that in mind. That's why when like all this started, I was like, our schedule is not changing, it's staying the same. Like, I'm not about to drive myself crazy when the world is going crazy too. So but yeah, I'm gonna finish my tea, finish the schedule for the rest of the month for you guys. We're having veggie burgers for lunch. These are my favorite brand, the Beyond Meat. They taste the best to me, the closest to actual meat. For fries, I don't know if I want waffle fries or Checkers fries. I think I might have waffle fries, but y'all know Checkers has the best fries. So these actually taste like the restaurant. They bomb. Hey guys, it's Kendra. So it is, what is today? I feel like as soon as this camera comes on, I forget what day it is. It is Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, and I'm about to edit a video, one that we just got done filming, talking about all of our Amazon impulse buys. I know we're not the only ones. So I'm gonna edit that. It's going up today. Have no idea what to eat. We're running out of things to eat. As far as like fresh meals to cook, and now we're gonna have to resort to probably more carb filled meals, because we have a ton of pasta. We still have some frozen veggies and fruit, but I try to save like my frozen fruits for like breakfast or like lunch for like a smoothie. But I'm trying to figure out what we're gonna have this week for lunch, because we're running out of stuff. Because I've been making tuna, we've been making like all of the actual food that we bought, like we've been cooking that up, but I don't know what else to make because I'm so used to making like my normal stuff like salmon and all that. But now we're gonna have to just figure it out, because we've agreed that we're not gonna go buy any more food until all the food is completely gone in the house. So that'll be a challenge to try to figure out what kind of meals to make without getting sick of them. So I think Kelsey and I are gonna need a new hard drive, because I think the one we have now is damaged. It keeps having this stupid error message. And if y'all know me, y'all know that I'm not good with computers. That is not my strong suit. I know like basic stuff, and if it's like a reoccurring issue and I know I fixed it before, then I know how to fix it. But if it's a new issue, I'm just completely confused. Now, every time I click on this hard drive, I get so much anxiety. It shouldn't take all this to put up one video. It gets frustrating. For some reason, we've always had like not the best luck with like our upload schedule. Sometimes it'll go smoothly, and we're so grateful that it'll go up, but it's supposed to be like a normal upload day, you know? But it's supposed to be like a normal editing day. It shouldn't feel like this huge task to get a video up. It should be just like, you know, a normal thing. Okay guys, speaking of Amazon impulse purchases, we just got some packages in today from Amazon, and I just decided I should do a Amazon haul here and show you guys what we got. So Kelsey already wiped down everything with the Clorox wipe, and I was letting it dry for quite some time, so it's safe to touch now. So I got 4 of these Alpen Secrets goat milk foaming milk baths. So this is the only bubble bath, well, not the only one we use, but it's our favorite one, because other ones that we've tried, we've only used once and never repurchased. So this is pretty much the only one we use over and over again. So this one is with oatmeal. They do have other scents, but this is the best one. The other ones smell kind of basic and they're not really worth it. But this one with oatmeal, is something about this one. It smells really clean, has like a hint of sweet in there, but it's also fresh. So this is the only bubble bath we use, and it's paraben free, so I feel like it's safer to use like for the bath, you know. And I love the packaging because it looks like a milk container, like an old school milk container. I don't know, it's just really cute and clever because it's goat milk, you know, so super cute. So I got 2 for myself and I got 2 for Kelsey. So 4 total. I usually get those in more than one like set, so I never get just one, because before you know it, like I've been ran out, and I just not in a dramatic way, but I just not panic, but I'm like annoyed that I can't take my bath like I normally take it without this, because it doesn't feel the same. So I have to have one of those on hand. Another beauty related product I got is a new cleansing oil, because I ran out of the one that I'm currently using. What that I was currently using is from Lazo Enzo Lazo. The brand that I talked about in a recent favorites is like the charcoal cleansing oil that I really liked. But I really wanted to try another cleansing balm, and this one I've been wanting to try. This is a Korean brand. It's from the brand Vanilla Co. So this is the Clean It Zero 3-in-1 Cleansing Balm Original. So I've really been wanting to try this one. I've heard a lot of good things about this one though in particular. So this little pink container, I'm sure you guys have seen this one before if you're familiar with cleansing balms. If you've tried this one, let me know if you like it, because I heard a lot of good things, and I'm not really switching any products in my skincare routine, but I really needed a new makeup remover, and I don't use makeup removing wipes anymore. Like, that's not my way of removing my makeup, because I just feel like they're not effective and you have to use way too many. So I feel like it's just wasteful, and it's not that good for your skin anyway. So this cleansing balm I cannot wait to try, and I will probably try it today. So hopefully it works, hopefully I enjoy it, and it's not like a film left over, because some cleansing oils or balms like feel kind of weird on my face after. I feel like it's not like all off once I'm done cleansing my face. So this one, I have high hopes for this. Food related things, I decided to get some almond butter packets. This Justin's brand is really good. Kelsey loves the cinnamon ones. I also like the cinnamon, the maple, and the honey, which I also got. I think I got maple too, but I don't think it came in yet. I don't know why it didn't come in with these, but anyway, these little packets, I love these. It's just like another good way to get in your protein, and it's, I heard, a better option than peanut butter, even though I'm a huge fan of peanut butter. I love peanut butter, but I just recently finished our peanut butter, and I found like the best snack. Well, I discovered the best snack. I was eating the rest of our peanut butter with these mini oatmeal cookies that we get from Trader Joe's, and that combo was bomb. Like, if you like a sweet and salty like combination, then that's like the best thing if you're craving that. So it's like sweet and salty. So from the peanut butter, I got like the saltiness, but it's still creamy. And then these mini cookies that we get from Trader Joe's, obviously sweet, but they're not too sweet, because I'm not a fan of too sweet things. These are better options as opposed to regular peanut butter. So just decided to get these. I think there's 10 in each of these. Yes, 10 squeeze packs. So love these. This brand also has really good chocolate. Their peanut butter cups I actually really love. I see it on the side here. They have milk chocolate. I usually only get the dark chocolate ones because I actually really love dark chocolate. I remember when I was little, I thought it was disgusting, but since my palate has changed, I actually enjoy the taste of dark chocolate, and it's better for you anyway. We got another one of these Twinings of London herbal tea, lemon and ginger tea. So this is our favorite one at the moment. I got another pack of this one because you can never have enough ginger tea. So this lemon and ginger flavor is my personal favorite. And then last but not least, I decided to get more of these. This and that tea actually were in our video that we filmed today. So I got more trail mix. This is from the brand Gourmet Nut, both of these. So this one I've already tried. This is the Mega Omega trail mix. This one is bomb. Love it. So this one has walnuts, dried mango, almonds, cranberries, and pumpkin seeds. So love this one. This one has everything I love in here. And then I really wanted to try this high energy one. I thought it would be like a good like snack to eat like before you work out, or just in general, because I actually enjoy trail mix, and it's obviously way better than chips or popcorn, even though I love those things too. But this one has pineapple, banana chips, coconut. I'm not a fan of coconut chips. I don't really like the taste of them, but we'll see how they taste in this mix. Cranberries, walnuts, cashews, and papaya. So everything else I love in here, so I'm sure I'll enjoy this. So that's everything I got from Amazon. You guys let me know what you've been purchasing from Amazon, things that have been impulsive or things that you just need, because it gets more and more random every time I go on Amazon. Every single time I go. So my wine order finally came in today, and I ordered from a website called Wine Express. I think that's the name of it. I'll have the name here if you want to order your wine, because it's way more convenient. And I wanted to try some new wines, because when we go to the store, we usually get like the same ones that we know are good, and sometimes we'll get like 2 new ones. But all of these except for one we've never tried before. So we've already tried this one before. I got like 3 of these. This is the Voli. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's a Sonoma wine, and most Sonoma wines are pretty bomb. So I'm pretty sure if you like caps, then you would like this. So I got 3 of these because I already know that it's good. Oh, I got 4? No, it's 3. Oh wait, I did get 4, my bad. I got 4 of these. And then I'm mostly excited about this one though, mainly because it was the most expensive. This is KAYMUS Vineyards. Of course, it's a Napa Valley wine, and it's a cab. I feel like we only drink cabs. I literally only got 1 Malbec because, I don't know, cabs just taste better to me. They're more full-bodied and, I don't know, way more smooth. So, hopefully this one is good. It had really good notes, like juicy and all that. I'm not going to put all these out right now. I'll just, like, if I really, really like it, I'll just show it as I'm drinking it throughout vlogs or whatever. When the wine rack is full, so is my heart. Okay guys, so this is what we're having for dinner. Some Cajun shrimp and some broccoli and some Spanish whole grain rice. Balanced meals over here. So we just ordered a ton of groceries from Instacart. It's a new app that I just found out about, but if you don't want to go to the grocery store, or if you have a little bit of anxiety about going, because the last time we went, I was feeling a little weird when we got back, so I just don't want to go. So I just used Instacart, and it's super convenient. So I just sprayed the bags, and then when I take everything out, I'm going to wipe everything down with Clorox wipes. But they're like a really, really good app. Super efficient. They send you a lot of alerts. They let you know if they're out of anything at the particular store that you're shopping at in your area. So, by the way, this is not sponsored. I'm just letting you guys know just in case you don't want to go to the grocery store, or if the grocery trips have been a little weird for you or crazy. So Instacart, it's what's up.